Updating furniture items is a quick and easy way to personalise furniture, extend its life and create a unique piece. Hi, I'm Eloise and today I'm going to show you how to transform this Hamptons-style console using a bamboo bath mat and paint. You can apply this process to any tables, drawers, cupboards, small or large, and choose paint colours to match your decor and style. Start by removing the drawers and knobs. Give the drawer fronts and console a light sand using 180 grit sandpaper, then wipe away the dust with a cloth. Place both drawers on the bath mat, then trace around each of the drawer fronts with a pencil in preparation for cutting. Now, we're going to paint our console from white to black using a chalk paint. Working on a drop sheet, use a 50mm brush to cut in where a roller won't reach. Then, use a mini roller to paint the console and drawer fronts, leaving them to completely dry. Then apply a second coat of paint. While the paint dries, use a handsaw to cut the mat to size. To fit the front of your drawer, cut the end bit of string and pull the bamboo pieces off. Then, tie a knot to secure them. Sand the edges to remove any rough bits, then wipe it clean. To make the bamboo mat flush, remove the black rubber grips with a scraper. To attach the bamboo mat, lay it down on the front of your drawer. Space your bamboo pieces 5mm apart, allowing for a 10mm space for the screw of your handle. Hold it firmly in place using the painter's tape to lock in the spacing. Tape top and bottom to lock the spaces in. Remove the spaces and tape the middle. Then, flip the mat over and apply your adhesive on each piece. Once the adhesive is applied, turn over your mat and line it up on the drawer front. Then repeat it for the other drawer. Install the handles with a screwdriver and replace the drawers. The great thing about this project is that you can use an off-the-shelf bamboo mat to quickly transform a desk, console, or even a bedside table. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more hints and tips.